Hey fans, welcome back. In this video, we explore the essential tools that can help you survive and thrive in the wilderness or during unexpected crises. From multifunctional gadgets to innovative safety devices, these survival tools are designed to keep you prepared and protected. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a prepper, or just someone who wants to be ready for anything, our comprehensive guide covers the best survival gadgets available in 2024. Looking for a versatile tool that's built to handle a variety of tough situations? Meet the MultiMission Axe MLA from Outland Equipment. This isn't just any axe. It's a multifunctional powerhouse designed for the military, rescuers, and law enforcement officers. Crafted from a single piece of hardened S7 tool steel, the base of this axe ensures unmatched strength and durability. The head functions as both a hammer and a wrench, while the lower part of the handle features a cutter and crowbar. Special pads on the handle provide a secure grip, even with wet hands. All these features come at a premium price. The 38cm model with a 10cm blade is available for $425. Invest in the MLA for a reliable and versatile tool that won't let you down. Most sharpeners just sharpen, but Cheryls Tool is a game changer for survivalists. It looks like a pen knife, but it's so much more. It includes a ferro rod and a 110 decibels whistle built right into the body. When it comes to sharpening, this tool excels with two sets of blades. Tungsten carbide for quick sharpening and ceramic for a smooth finish. The optimal angles are preset, so it's ready to use right away. Plus, the conical diamond rod is perfect for tasks like sharpening fishing hooks. There's even a hole for a paracord lanyard. All this for just $16, an incredible deal. The BRS 3000T is a must-have for solo hikers who want to travel light. Weighing in at just 25 grams, about the same as 5 sheets of A4 paper. This camping stove is incredibly lightweight but still durable. Made from a strong titanium alloy with added copper, it connects to liquefied gas cylinders and is fuel efficient, using only 13 grams to boil a liter of water. While it might take a bit longer to heat your food compared to larger burners, the BRS 3000T is perfect if you're not in a rush. At just $18, it's an affordable, practical option that makes traveling easier. Leave the bulky gear to someone else. The STAS Tactical alarm system is a game changer for campsite security. Developed from the ground up, it's ideal for protecting campgrounds and tent sites with its versatile configuration to handle different threats. You can load it with flares and special ammunition to deter animals like bears and other wildlife. The STAS system can be triggered automatically or manually, and the basic kit is conveniently pocket-sized. All this for just $75. Quite a deal. Introducing the RokPak, the world's first and only all-in-one solution combining a flashlight, solar charging, battery power, and rugged waterproof storage. This lightweight marvel is ready for extreme adventures, withstanding temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius and submersion in 1 meter of water for up to 30 minutes. With a powerful 12,000 mAh battery, it can charge 2 devices simultaneously, enough to recharge an iPhone 14 3 times. Get your RokPak for just $179. Introducing the Shin, a versatile hybrid gadget that combines a light, power bank, alarm, and multi-tool. Equipped with an IR sensor, it detects animal activity within a 10-meter radius and a 60 degrees range, alerting you with light and sound if a wolf or bear approaches. Shin offers 3 lighting modes with different warmth settings. Its 20-watt-hour battery lasts up to 18 hours, and it weighs just 210 grams. All these features come at a budget-friendly price of $59. Watch as the creators of the UA8 Evolution deliver yet another sales masterclass. Priced at $819, this life jacket is a steal, boasting approval from the US military and featuring the revolutionary Switlik system. Despite weighing only 1.6 kilograms, it offers an impressive buoyancy of 36 kilograms. Plus, it includes integrated M-mounts for added convenience. Introducing the jerry can, not just for storing water, but purifying it too. This portable purifier filters 5,300 gallons of water, instantly eliminating viruses, bacteria, and parasites. Holding up to 5 gallons, it's perfect for group expeditions, family vacations, or off-grid living. No harmful substances like chlorine are needed. Weighing under 9 pounds, it's easy to use and can even double as a shower with an attachable hose. Proven in military and humanitarian operations, this jerry can is a must-have for reliable, clean water anywhere. Introducing the Tinder TP and glass mag. The Tinder TP is a simple, quick-to-assemble structure that replaces dry wood, offering an impressive 3-minute burning time. Its laser-cut, 4-panel birch design ensures optimal airflow and combustion, making assembly straightforward. Just stack a few wooden planks. This eco-friendly burner emits no harmful emissions and is compact, measuring approximately 3.4 inches by 2.2 inches. Alongside it, the glass mag is a compact magnifying glass, originally designed as an April Fool's joke, but practical for starting fires using sunlight. Introducing the X1 Exoskeleton. Now you can experience superhero-like abilities straight out of the movies. While you may not be lifting cars single-handedly just yet, the X1 Exoskeleton from Dennis allows you to effortlessly carry loads up to 84 volts. Even without heavy lifting, it provides an extra 900 watts of power, making walking, hiking, climbing, and running much easier, reducing energy consumption by 50%. Notably, it enables comfortable running speeds exceeding 16 miles per hour, faster than the average half-marathon runner. Weighing just 3.5 volts, the X1 is incredibly portable and easy to use on any adventure. Integrated motion sensors and advanced AI algorithms analyze leg positions, interpreting user movements to adjust engine power instantly. For $399, you can upgrade to this partial superhero experience. For more capabilities, there's a more powerful version available at $998. It's your chance to enhance your outdoor prowess with cutting-edge technology.